Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Collage Weekly Planner video. I hope y'all are doing well. And I just lost something. Okay, there it is. All right. So let's see what week we're on. I am using the Margarete Miller, the actual planner itself. I use it to track my YouTube videos. Yeah, so let's see what week we're on. Let's see. I have collected some stuff already. Okay, so we're on week 32. Sorry if there's a glare. I have to do this. Yeah, there is. Of course there's a glare. Of course there is. Okay. I need to do this kind of quickly. Sorry about that. Or not sorry, in case you guys like the shorter videos. I don't know. But because my husband has an appointment and then I'm puppy sitting. And if you've been watching my channel, you know what that means. Yeah. Okay, so let's just get started. So this is again week 32. What she does is she gives you 6 prompts, okay? The 5 main prompts and then a bonus prompt. And the bonus prompt is in case you don't have one of the regular prompts. You can use all 6. You can exchange one out for the other. Okay. And I will put her link below to her website. And there you can find all the prompts if you want to follow along. So let's get started again. All right. So we have something sticky, something drawn or written in pencil, a window or door, something that starts with a J, chewing gum or cough drop wrapper, and the bonus is a person or something that represents a person. So here we go. Okay, we have just about everything. The only thing I do not have is chewing gum or cough drop wrapper because I do not save those. In my house, that equals ants. So yeah, no, I don't save any of that. So let's see what we have here. The first thing I have here is a window, right? This was given to me in Happy Mail. It's a magazine clipping. I love it. And because of the pink, I think it's going to go somewheres around in here, okay? But because of the pink, I want to ink the edges of this. And I do my inky, as you can see, rather messy-like, because that's just the way that I do it. Nothing is perfect in my world. So there's that. That has nothing to do with the prompts. Just check in and make sure that you're in frame. And there, I can move my light a little bit. It just casts more of a shadow on this side. Okay, so let's see. Now, this right here, it is part of something drawn or written in pencil. And this is just like a little, it's a crossword, like dictionary or something. And so I looked through it and the person had written in pencil. So I'm just going to use that and I'm literally just putting it right here in the corner. Okay. So I do believe we're going to go ahead and glue that down. I'm using a combination of glue and tape runner. Okay. So yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. Like I said, I had to come in here while I had the chance. Because I shall be puppy sitting before I go to work today. All right, I'm just putting it a little bit up from the corners because I still want to be able to see that pretty pink. Okay, so there is the very little something that is drawn in pencil. Okay, now I think we're gonna put this window and I think we're just gonna put it right about in there somewhere. Yep. So this is a window. This represents the window, obviously. And I do think I'm just going to use a tape runner on that. So, yeah. I have work whenever my husband gets back from his appointment. So, and I really can't, like, I've tried to do videos with the pupper, you know, and he is just not satisfied in the least when his master is not home. So, yep. So he'll just, you know, he would just be like in and out of my room or barking or, you know, otherwise getting in a kerfuffle because his master is not home. So there's that. Okay. Now that the bonus is a person or something that represents a person, and I found this in my box, and I think she's just beautiful. She's got an attitude going on, like, you know. So this is what I'm using for that. And yeah, perhaps she has a cough drop wrapper in her pocket. I don't know. I don't know. I hope she's not ill, but yeah. Ooh, she's pretty on the back too. All right. Anyway, that's what I'm using for that part. I'm putting her on with a glue stick. I just like her pose, and she's just pretty. And like I said, she's got an attitude. So again, we're going to do the same thing and almost put her toward the bottom. Oh dear. Okay. Whew. I thought her arm was going to not fit. Okay. So there she is. Doesn't she look nice, huh? She looks like she's looking out the window. Okay, and then we have something sticky. Now, of course, I picked these sticker flakes because, like, I have, like, a bazillion stickers and all that. I mean, a lot of times, I don't know about y'all, but a lot of times, I'm a very literal person. So, if it says something sticky, I think, you know, sticker. I mean, that's what comes to my mind. Again, with these are just washi flakes. And they've been in a couple of my last few videos, so the links are in there, or if you specifically want a link, then I can provide one to you. So this is something sticky, and I am just going to put it right down here over the dictionary page, because I can. All right. Because I think that adds like just a nice little pop of green, right? And then we're also going to put one up here. I'm not a fan of twos, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to live on the edge, okay? We're going to live on the edge. So, get rid of this plastic. So we're just going to put I don't want to put it this way because then it looks like it's growing out of her head. So I'm just going to, I think, put it that way. Wrap that around, put it that way. It just, I don't know, it just ties in the two corners. And then we have Journey here, which this is from a digital print from I think it's My Porch Prints. Let me just check and see. Yes, My Porch Prints. She has these, you know, like printables, words and such. So that's where I got that from. I'll leave the link to her below. And I just thought that looked really cute right there. Yep. So we're going to take our glue, wherever that will be. Okay, sorry for the reach. Right up here. I have not written in any of my stuff. I think I'm a week behind on this. I'm not really sure, but I do think I'm a week behind. Am I a week behind? Yeah, last Friday was the 6th, which was my daughter's birthday. So, yeah, I'm a week behind, no big deal. So, there we have Journey. Let's put it right side up. I like it right there. Make sure that it's semi-straight. Let me just stand up to see if it's straight. It appears kind of straight. All right, so let's find our pen, which good luck to me because, ooh, doggy, you should see my desk. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, so I think that's straight. I don't know. All right, let's go through our list here. Oh, let's cap our glue or put our little pin in our glue. Oh, this is going to be a quickie. Again, usually I take a little bit more time. I mean, and I've said it before, like I don't know how to say this in a way that doesn't sound weird, but I don't generally, sorry for the reach again, take a whole lot of time on these, you know? I really don't, because it's just a fun, for me anyway, it's just a fun way to kind of jumpstart my creativity. Just putting a few bits and pieces down. Again, not really putting all that much thought into it. Some obviously I put more thought into than others. This one happens to be a quickie also because I need to puppy sit. So here we go. Something sticky. Yes, of course, stickers. So there's that we did. Something drawn or written in pencil. This right down here from a dictionary page. I kind of like the dictionary page peeking out from the back anyway. So yes. A window or door. Love this. Got this in Happy Mail. So pretty and pink. So yes to that. Something that starts with J. I picked this word journey, right? Or her name can be Janet. I don't know. Or Joy. Or Jennifer. I don't know. But journey starts with J. Chewing gum or cough drop wrapper. I don't save those, honestly. I don't really use cough drops. And I rarely chew gum. And if I do either or, I throw the wrapper away immediately. So I don't bother keeping any of that. So I don't have that. I know my dear friend Allison from AJ's Inspired Life, she always has a gum wrapper on her desk. She always saves them. Yeah. Interesting. It's interesting what some of us save and what some of us don't save. So anyway, and then the bonus was a person or something that represents a person. So I picked Janet here, or Jennifer, or whatever her name might be. For today's purposes, her name starts with a J. So I picked her in lieu of the chewing gum or cough drop wrapper. So there you have it. Week 32 in the books, pun intended. And yeah, I had fun doing it. Anyway, I love her. I love the way she's looking, like she's got an attitude. Maybe she's like, man, I really want to go out and it looks like it's rainy out. Who knows? But yeah, I like how this turned out. I love the pink along with it. Yeah, I like it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And I hope you're following along with this challenge. And if not, that you'll look up the Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Challenge and play along. You can start it at any time. You don't have to do it weekly. You can do it however you want to do it, okay? So I hope you'll give it a go. And yeah, again, thanks so much for sharing your time with me. And have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.